Hello my learners, hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be covering the concept law of demand in economics with the help of hypothetical schedule, diagrammatic presentation, and also we'll try to understand assumptions of law of demand and exceptions to the law of demand. So let's try to understand one by one. The first question is, what is law of demand? So law of demand expresses functional relationship. Children, make sure that functional relationship between the price and quantity demanded of a commodity. So it expresses the functional relationship between the price and quantity demanded of a commodity. A rise in the price of a commodity or services is followed by a fall in the quantity demanded, and fall in the prices is followed by an increase in the quantity demanded. As you all can see, as the price rises, quantity demand decreases. As the price increases, quantity demand decreases. And other things remaining constant. Make sure that other things remaining constant. Now, what are the things that we assume constant? Price of the related good, taste, and consumer income are remain constant. Other things remaining constant. So, lower the price, larger the quantity demanded of a commodity. Thus, what does the law state? The law thus states that other thing being equal, the quantity demanded varies inversely with the price. So as the price increases, quantity demand decreases. So that means lower the price, greater the effective demand. And higher the price, lesser the effective demand. Just imagine a situation in the mall. Whenever there is sale in any of the commodity, we tend to buy more. So functional relationship between price and quantity demanded, that is what the law of demand is. Now in the next, let's try to understand the same scenario with the help of hypothetical schedule and diagrammatic presentation. Now just see the hypothetical schedule, children. In the hypothetical schedule, what do you notice? See the prices in rupees. 5 rupees, then 4 rupees, then 3 rupees, then 2, 1. As the prices comes down, quantity demand increases. Just see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And law of demand slopes downward. Law of demand slopes downward. Now let's talk about assumptions. What are the things that we assume during law of demand to remain constant? As we heard, other things remaining the same or other things remaining unchanged. So these are the assumptions that we assume under law of demand. The income of the consumer remains same during the period. Make sure that the income of the consumer, remains same. And the prices of related goods. Here I have written substitute and complementary good. Substitute good means there's a direct relationship. That means tea and coffee, and complementary means they are used jointly and consumed together. Say for example, car and petrol, mobile and SIM. These two remain unchanged. Okay, so these are the prices of related goods. Substitutes and complementary goods remain unchanged. And third, the preference and taste of the consumer remain unchanged or remains the same throughout the consumption. The preference and taste of the consumer must remain same. And the quantity of the similar goods available in the market is almost unchanged. The quality of the similar goods available in the market is almost unchanged. It is presumed that the prices are not likely to change in near future. So these are the 5 assumptions to the law of demand. Now let's try to understand exceptions to the law of demand. Here 5 points I have covered. Ignorance. Sometimes consumers are fascinated with the high priced goods. Now these superior and deceptive packaging and high price may deceive the people. This is ignorance effect. Okay, standard quality, standard quantity, that is what we go for, ignorance effect, and we tend to pay the higher prices. And the second one you can say is speculative effect. Now what is speculative effect? When the price of a commodity goes up, when the prices of any commodity goes up, people may buy larger quantity than before if they anticipate or speculate for the rise in the prices. Okay, future predictions, the prices may go up, let's buy more. Okay, that's what the speculative effect is. Now in the Giffen paradox, if you'll see, Sir Robert Giffen, British economist, observed that the rise in the price of bread caused the low paid British workers to buy more bread. Why? Because these workers lived mainly on the diet of bread. The necessities does not apply law of demand. And next you can say is fear of shortage. People may buy more of a commodity even at a higher prices when they fear of a shortage of that commodity in the near future. When they feel that in the near future the prices or there will be shortage of the commodity, so they tend to buy more. Now bandwagon effect. Under bandwagon effect, if the purchasing diamond becomes fashionable, if the purchasing diamonds become fashionable, then the price of the diamond rises. So rich people may increase their demand for diamond in order to show that they are rich. So these were the exceptions to the law of demand: ignorance, speculative effect, Giffen paradox, fear of shortage, and bandwagon effects. So learners, do keep learning. Thank you.